How do you feel about not winning?
Malungkot. Friend.
Talk English. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
I'm not win.
I'm not. Are you sad?
Yeah, I'm sad.
So what do you want to talk to? So what do you want to tell them?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay. Okay, so maybe call the winners. Okay, go. Baby. So what do you feel about winning the next Filipino dance there?
What?
How do you feel about winning next Filipino dance?
I'm happy because I'm foggy. I win.
Uy, pwede mag-Tagalog. Pwede mag-Tagalog, be?
Pwede mo mag-Tagalog?
No, speak in English.
Okay.
I'll translate it.
Yun lang.
Okay, so maybe call BJ? BJ?
Pero kasali pa rin ako sa sayaw.
Okay, go. Yeah. So how do you feel about winning next Filipino